I've been writing songs and recording songs lately that are specific to scooters. I'm from Hawaii. I'm an avid surfer. Scooting off-road is an adrenaline replacement for surfing. And this is my ocean. It's more focusing on what you're doing and negotiating your ways around rocks like the size of my fist. You're also focusing on what type of terrain. Do you have crushed gravel? Do you have talcum powder like terrain? Or what kind of loose dirt, or a mixture of all the above? The thing is, if you do fall, it's pretty bad news. Fuck. Man, yeah, I never said this shit was safe.
Riding my scooter, riding my scooter, riding my scooter.
It's focusing on what you're doing and putting all the stressful things of the day out of your mind so you can focus on what you're doing and what angle you're going to take, what kind of hill and that. So that's off-road scooting in a nutshell.